Hi. Hey guys, what's up? It's Zoe here. Welcome back to my channel. So ever since quarantine started, there has been like a phase of crazy workout movement where everyone was doing the Chloe Ting abs challenge, and me at the time, I was only doing Alexis Ren, and I was like, I'm totally fine just doing what I'm doing, but I feel a little left out, you know. Why I am bringing this up is that I've been home for 3 weeks, and honestly, props to my mom, and I love her so much. She made so much really great pastries, and like her cooking is obviously amazing. So yes, I gained weight. If anytime, I think now is the perfect time to do a workout challenge and kind of restore my body back to its original shape. But that's been said and done, and I don't want to just follow everyone else just to do the Chloe Ting abs challenge for 2 weeks and call it a day. For me, I will make this harder. Unlike everyone else who does the Chloe Ting abs challenge in 2 weeks, I'm going to do the Chloe Ting abs challenge in 1 week. But I'm going to do the workout twice. Every single day in the week. I might regret this, but so let me measure my waist and see where we're at. Oh, I still have like a line here, so that's good. 63.1. Let's see what wondrous magic is Chloe Ting's workout gonna do to my abs. Cool, now it's time to change into some workout clothes. Okay, clothes change. 3, 2, 1.
Day 1 of self-torture.
Let's get started.
Not that hard compared to Alexis Ren right now.
Ryan Little.
I love up and down planks.
But you're doing them improperly.
Whew. One set is done. Overall, not bad. I'm just sweating because it's actually like really hot. The sun is coming right in this direction. I think what makes this workout easier is that Chloe Ting actually put breaks in between, which is kind of nice. I remember when I first started doing the Alexis Ren workout, like I couldn't even follow through the whole workout. So this one though, I don't think it's that bad, and yeah, I'm down to go to my second set right now. Just let me cool down a little because I'm sweating and it's getting a little gross. Okay, 1 minute later, I'm done waiting. Let me just redo this workout.
Come in.
I just got a message from my new dude. Where you at? Question my blues, clues. I sat in the house and he said come through. I jumped in the car and it was zoom, zoom. I think I pulled up too soon. she's saying, get me from the front. He came out to see me, he was confused. That's when I realized that he was a shit. You a dummy, love it, Tatiana. Only woman with 100 on me. How you play me for a fake hoe? New Chanel with the gator bonnet. Run it, yeah. You tried it, got me messed up. You tried it, she ain't even me. Almost got you the new G-Wagon. Got me messed up. You tried it. Run it, yeah. You tried it. Run it, yeah. You tried it.
My hair has fallen out again of my ponytail. Woo! Okay, just now this morning I did 2 sets of Chloe Ting, and first set wasn't hard. Second, I feel like I was a little out of breath at the end, which is good. I don't want to do a workout that doesn't really push me further, so that's a good sign. That means I am working hard and hopefully making more progress. Yeah, I am sweating. It's kind of gross. So after 2 sets of workout, I am sweating. Great. It's also summer in LA, and my hair has fallen out of my ponytail. That's also great. So day 1, I already feel less bloated, which is good. So yeah, 2 sets is definitely doable. It's a little hard at the end, but I'm excited.
Day 2.
Jumping out the whip, shit cold. Watching my stepgram froze. Most my days spent alone. Same with my bro, he knows. Ay, gotta pay dues. Walking in mud, you can check my shoes. Tryna bite this, might chip your tooth. Tryna.
Day 3.
When I made that deal, they should go and pay bills. Time be on my ass, but I pull a stunt like Copperfield. Wanna see Holly's hills? That bitch got heat for real. Sad looking past the windowsill. I've been thinking
Day 4.
the same shit still. Gonna hit the I-5, it won't be no shock. I've been planning for a while now. No sign tell me stop. One day we gon' climb your top 5. Grow it every drop. All night you just wanna get high. Next day you forgot.
Day 5.
Thought I told you that this my niche. Play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Huh? Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam.
Day 6.
I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes. This not new to me. Greed gon' kill ice cream. Ego my enemy. My heat got entropy. It's all just
Day 7, aka last day.
lemonade sipping. I was in class trying to get my wishes. Dirt on my plate, so I had to clean dishes. Knew that I'ma do this, I just had that feeling. You ain't gon' live like me. These heights be too frightening. Their opinion be too trifling.
So it's been a week since I've been doing the Chloe Ting abs challenge twice a day. Was it hard? Yes. But was it worth it? Let's find out. 59.4. So I'm actually really happy with the results. Like, it's only been a week. Imagine what it will be like in 2 weeks or like a month. Crazy. I understand the hype, why everyone really loves the Chloe Ting abs challenge. Yes, it does work, and yes, it works even better when you do it twice a day. Definitely start with 1 per day and then slightly progress if you're able to do it, because you don't want to just burn out yourself and not be able to follow the exercise every day. I think the important thing is to be able to follow it and do the workout routine every single day, no matter if you do it once, twice, or 3 times. Your choice. So yeah, that's my double Chloe Ting abs challenge in a week. It was super fun. It was a little torturing. My abs still kind of hurt. Throughout the week, I think it got better, so If you're feeling the soreness, it means your abs are in progress and your waist is slimming down. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Bye!
This is the end.